Good afternoon, myself Dr. M. Takle. Today we will study unit number 1, that is test sectional view. In last lecture we studied that full view. In this lecture we will going to study half section and various partial sections. In last lecture the sectional view, full section, half section, partial section, offset section, these are the types of section. This is sectional view. Then what is sectioning? Then what is full view? Cutting plane line pattern, then arrow indication, cutting plane, observer. You can how to draw that sectional view by cutting plane, rule for lines, then full section, meaning of full section, full straight line is there. These are some examples. Cross section, ribs in cross section, then full section view. These are some examples we have taken in last lecture. Now, in this lecture we will going to study half sections. First of all, we are going to understand what is meant by half section. The view obtained after removing the front quarter, that is 1/4 portion of an object, by means of two cutting planes at right angle to each other is called half sectional view or half section elevation. The meaning is that in a full section, the full straight line is there in the object, but in half section, two cutting planes are there which are inclined to each other, means which are perpendicular to each other. They are at a 90 degree, and in such case, the views are drawn is called as half section. Such type of views are useful where some holes are between that inside that 90 degree, and for that full imagination, full section is not useful, and in such case, half section is taken. And that half section is nothing but taken like that. The two cutting planes are at right angles, and that 1/4 portion of the object is taken. Again, it may be observed that the plane or top view also remain unaffected, that is full side view is drawn. Already told that in a half section, the view obtained after removing the front quarter. In a front quarter, that is 1/4 portion is taken of an object by means of the two cutting planes which are at right angles, and because of that it is observed that plane or top view remains unaffected. The top view in case of half section, it is remain unaffected. It is one of the example of half section in which the one example of half is there in which cutting plane is shown. There are two cutting planes. One is at the center of the component and second one is at a right angle to that. From this case, the dotted section is nothing but plane, and in the second view, that object is removed, that curve section object is removed, and what that this sketch is nothing but sectional view. And in the section C or in the figure C, this half sectional view is drawn in which it is clear that the first object, that small hole is clear, though it is seen by visible, and it is a sectional view, that half section is there. So hatching line is there. It is one of the example of half section in which two planes which are at right angle, that is 90 degree, are taken to draw that orthographic view of that component for clear understanding. Here some sketches of half sections are there. In first, without half section, and in second, half section is shown. In the first, that its orthographic views are there. From it is clear that what is meant by half section. In first, without any sectional view, that orthographic view is drawn, and in case of sketch second, with the help of half view, that sectional view is drawn. In case of first sketch, there is no any sectional view is there. So looking from observer is looking from front side. The inside bore is, and that chamfer of that inside bore is invisible. So which is shown by dotted lines, as well as these two small holes on that component is also invisible. So which is again shown by dotted lines. But in case number 2, the half section of the component is taken, that is the component cut by two cutting planes which are at 90 degree, that is right angle to each other, and that portion is shown by blue lines. When we see the orthographic view, by considering its half section orthographic view, the hatching line is there. Considering that first small hole which is visible because of that half section is taken there, so that the hole is visible, so drawn. But in case of second view, there is no any half section is there, so this portion or that holes come by dotted lines. Likewise, such type of half sections are taken to draw orthographic views. Again, it is one of the example of half section view. Half sections are commonly used to show both the internal and outside view of symmetrical objects. When object is symmetrical, and for to showing the internal and outside view, that is inner dimensions as well as outside dimensions, the half section view is used. Here again one of the good example is there. In this figure, two cutting planes are there. By looking is isometric view, and arrow is there from observer when it is looking by half section, when it is cut at the center, then his sectional view and top view drawn is there. When by looking its top view, 4 holes are there, and inside 2 small holes are there, and the section is taken at LL. That is, section L is nothing but 2 cutting planes are there as shown in isometric view, and check this cutting plane as right angle. When this object is cut at LL, then his half section is shown in a view in which it is clear that the inside diameter, 2 small diameters, and its chamfer is visible as shown in the top view, and one counter hole is there, one cross hole is there, which is again visible, which is shown in the figure. And for clear indication, or by taking the half section, the cross section is taken, sectional view is taken. The half section is taken here because of the reason is that the inside and outside portion of the component is clear, because inside some holes are there, and on that outer surface there are again one hole is there. For that clear understanding of that hole of inside portion as well as for outside portion, the half section is used for that symmetrical object. Again, there are some examples of half section concept and example. A section view is made by passing the cutting plane halfway through an object and remove a quarter of it, that is 1/4 part of it. By looking of example this, the isometric view is shown there, and the two lines, the two planes are taken halfway of object, that is at 90 degree. So the 1/4 part of the component is removed as shown in a second isometric view. When it is removed by cutting plane, by taking 1/4 cutting plane, when it is that 1/4 portion is removed, then this isometric view is shown here, is orthographic view is shown in the figure. From figure it is clear that by looking this isometric view, one inside inner diameter is there, that is bore is there, and 2 small holes are there, and the red line shows the sectional lines or cutting planes of the component, and in a top view there are two views are there. One is without section and second one is with a half section. When it is cut without section, the inside diameter and two small holes are invisible, so it is shown by dotted line. But by section taken by the red lines, I will say that section XX. From that it is clear that inside hole as well as that small hole is visible. So as shown in that figure, the section of the half section of the component is shown. Half section of the component is shown. So this is the difference between full section and half section. In a full section, we are considering straight line of the cutting plane, but in a half section and in a full section only one cutting plane is there. But in case of half section, there are two cutting planes are there, and which are at right angle to each other. It is for clearly indication or clearly imagination of inside and outside surface that half section is taken, and the sketch is drawn here. Again here one example taken of half section. Same as the previous example, it is again one of the type of example is there. Again that curved portion, half section is there. A half section view is created by passing a cutting plane halfway through the object. Again here two views are there, one is a multi-view and second one is a half section view. Multi-view means without any section. When component cut at the center by two cutting planes 90 degree and that 1/4 part of the object is removed, and when it is removed the section is nothing but the portion is nothing but called as a half section view. And by considering in a multi-view, when we are looking from front side or any from if it is symmetrical from any view from left side, the multi-view shown is here. The two holes on inside hole is invisible, that is shown by dotted line. But in case of half section view, that section XX, I will say that section XX as shown in a figure. Section XX is taken when it is cut by section XX. Then the small hole is visible as well as is half portion of that inside hole is visible as shown in a half section view. By going to that half section of that isometric view, that dotted line shows that, the sectional line shows that the clear indication of clarity of the part which is drawn in a half section view, that is in a case of sketch C. Again here some examples of half section view is there, used on symmetrical parts to show inside as well as outside details in one view. Normally that half section is taken for that symmetrical parts, and for clear indication or for clear showing of that inside as well as outside details in one view, half section view is taken. If we are not taking a half section view, then it is required to draw various views for clear understanding. So that all views must be clear in a one section. So for that clear indication of the component, that is for clear indication of inside as well as outside view, that half section is taken. When we cut that, when we are taking two cutting planes in case of half section view, then 1/4 of the part is cut away, that 1/4 part is cut away. Cutting plane line goes halfway through the part to the center of the part as shown in a figure. Two cutting planes are there in isometric view of top view, or in isometric view of top example, or in a case of bottom example also there. We are considering here top example. 1/4 part of the part is cut away, that 1/4 part is cut away. Cutting plane line goes halfway through the part to the center of the part. the halfway part is taken at the center, that is cutting plane is taken at the center, and that halfway, that is 1/4 part, is removed. Used a lot with parts with axis of rotation when revolve is used. When revolving is used, a lot with parts with axis of rotation is there. By considering example number 1, two planes at right angle degree, 90 degree. When it is cut, is section view is drawn, cut section is drawn. In orthographic view, the halfway or half section view is there. Then the right portion of that half view shows that sectional view section is there, because this example is taken for that clear indication of that inside and outside portion. Again, second example is there. We will consider it is one of the half example. Cutting plane is there. Two cutting planes are there which are taken at the center. And when it is cutting plane is there and direction of side for section, that is cutting plane, two cutting planes at the center for 90 degree is there, and components orthographic projection is there. Component orthographic projection, in which the cutting a view of cutting plane is there and it is cut at the center at 90 degree, and again it's in case of its half section view, the right side shows its half section of that component for clear indication of inside and outside dimensions. Here half section in front elevation and half section in side elevation is shown here. By looking at this isometric view, again two planes are there. Half section in front view, by looking that component, the section line shows the cutting plane is there, and when it is cut at the center, the half section front is shown here. Again, half section side is shown here. Again, its top view is there. When it is cut, the red portion shows this cutting plane, and when it is cut, the red portion shows this solid portion of the component. In half section, when we cut it, that this section shows the section shows of the component, but there's one groove is there which is not solid in that when it's cut, so not section is there. But when you cut half sectional side view, then the hatching line is shown in the side view, and when seen from the top view, the top view is there. Two grooves inside square hole or rectangular hole is there, and such type of sections are used, half sections are used for inside outside clear indication. The main difference between full section and half section is that in a full section only one cutting plane is there. In case of half section, two cutting planes are there which are 90 degree to each other. In a full section, only one plane is there which is straight plane, but in half section, two cutting planes are there which are 90 degree to each other. And apart from full section, half section is used when for clear indication of inside as well as outside portion. Okay, thank you.